Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Khadija Aminch. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new to this channel, welcome. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to do a lightly smoky eye you can wear during the day and night. So without further ado, you see I've already started. I've sprayed my face with this Morphe X Jeffree Star setting spray. It's a dewy finish setting spray. Then I went in with this Cetaphil moisturizer. It's really good. I've been loving it lately. And then I'll go with my two go-to foundations. This is Jubia in the shade Lagos and Superstay, Maybelline Superstay in the shade 335. I mix the two together to get my shade. Using my beauty blender, I'll blend it out. Look at that coverage, man. I really love this combo. So let me give you a side to side look. Look at that, flawless. Then I'll go in with my Juvia's Place concealer. I'll write the shade down in the description box. Like always, I'm highlighting my under eyes and my chin and my cupid's bone and bridge of my nose as well, and my forehead. Then I'll blend it out using my beauty blender, just like so. I'm blending the sides of the concealer, working my way in. Okay, then I'll set my face again with this setting spray. Then I'll blend it some more, but just let it dry for a few seconds, then you blend it all together. That will help the makeup to sit very well. Then I'm going to use my Huda Beauty setting powder to set the highlighted areas. And I'll also add that setting powder to my brows because I added some foundation earlier, so we need to set them as well. Then I'll go in with this oil control LA Pride powder palette and to set my entire face, especially the areas I did not highlight or contour. Then I will add some to my nose because I get really oily around that area, around my T-zone area. Then using this fluffy brush, I will contour using ZK. I didn't show it. I'm using ZK powder palettes. I love using this brush lately to contour. I love using big brushes actually to contour because it gives me that soft, you know, kind of airbrushed finish kind of contour. I love it. Now I will add a little bit of that setting powder under my contour to, you know, define the contour, then wipe it up with a brush. This is in the number 35B. This is Smokey brushes eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, we're going to use this color right here to set the concealer we used as a primer. We're just gonna set that. Mun yi satin din shi kenan, sai mu zo mu samu brown color da zai samu mu achieving smoky eye din nan. This is the dark brown. A camera din bai nuna haka. Za mu build the colors first. So zan fara da wannan. Zan fara sa shi daga kasan ido na kwarai. So za ki fara sashi daidai ƙasan lid ɗinki, kar ki bari ya hau sama sosai. In kin gama saka eyeshadow ɗin, abin da ya rage a jikin brush ɗin, sai ki dragging ɗin shi waje haka nan. sure I'm summer. And I'm also making sure I didn't leave any hash line. Guys, I'm using the RMG cosmetic brush RF1 to blend the edges even more. Then I'll go in with a flat synthetic brush to create an eyeliner using a black eyeshadow. And make sure you are smudging it as you go. Blend, blend, blend as you apply. Make sure you do not over blend. And then voila, there you have it, your lightly smoky eye. Okay, so I've done the other eye. I'm going to use concealer to just define the bottom. Like that. This is the part where it looks kind of weird, but don't worry, it's gonna look great. Okay, yanzu I'm saka lashes them. I apply some lash glue on the lashes. I will leave it to sit for 20 seconds, then I'll put them on. Our lashes are on. Lightly smoky eye came out really great, just the way I expected it. So yeah, for blush I'm using the normal blush I always use in my videos. I can't remember its name, but that's what I'm using. Look at that, we're looking all cute. Then I'll go in with some eye pencil. This is Party Queen. Yeah, Party Queen eye pencil. I'll line my waterline with that. So I'll use this RF9, RE9. 06, RE6 to contour my nose just like that. Okay, that was my husband. He's recording me with his phone. Okay, so I always use a dark brown around my bridge of my nose. Then on the tip of my nose, I use a lighter brown, you know, because nobody wants a dark nose contour. Okay, and we're looking all nice and cute, honey. Look at that. Okay, then I'll go in with this Davis brow pencil to line my lips. We're gonna do a nude lipstick today. Yeah, a nude glossy lip. That's what we're going to do today. So I filled my top lip with the brown, then lined the bottom, then using this MAC crystal glass, I can't remember the name, but I'll leave it in the description box. I applied it all over my lips. We'll highlight using RLG Cosmetics highlighting palette. I will leave all the names and the brushes in the description box. Then I'll use the small blending brush to dust up the excess powder. Now we will finish up this look by applying this mascara from NARS. I love this mascara. It's a mini mascara, like a travel, you know, handbag mascara. I love it. So yeah, this is it. So mun gama kwalliyan kenan, da fatan kun ji daɗin kallon wannan tutorial. Ku faɗi min me kuke tunani game da wannan kwalliyan. Za ku yi shi koko it's a no-no for you guys. Leave me a comment in the comment section. And once again, thank you, and make sure you subscribe and like, share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.